Hello students, today we are going to solve important multiple choice questions of chapter 1, chapter 2 and chapter 4 of science subject for class 8th for preparation of term 1 board examination. So let's start our multiple choice questions. So our first question is from chapter 1. Our first question is example of kharif crop. Option A wheat, option B paddy, option C maize, or option D none of these. So among all of these, example of kharif crop is option B paddy. Next question, rabi crop. Option A maize, option B paddy, option C cotton, or option D wheat. So among all these options, which one is rabi crop? So example of rabi crop is option D, that is wheat. Next question, damaged seeds would dash on top of water. Option A float, option B sink, option C rotate, or option D singing. So students, we know that damaged seeds would float on top of water. So its correct option is option A float. Next question, the first step of growing crop is option A sink, option B preparation, option C crop, or option D water. So students, we have studied that the first step of growing crop is preparation. So its correct option is option B preparation. Next question, organic manure. Option A urea, option B superphosphate, option C cow dung, or option D none of these. So among all these options, which one is an organic manure? So its correct option is option C cow dung. Next question, the same kind of plants grown and cultivated on a large scale at a place is called option A crop, option B preparation, option C cotton, or option D maize. So students, we know that the same kind of plants grown and cultivated on a large scale at a place are called crop. So its correct option is option A crop. Next question. Yes, next question. Dash is essential for proper growth. Option A animal, option B air and water, option C Baisakhi, or option D none of these. So dash is essential for proper growth. What is essential for proper growth? So its correct option is option B air and water. So air and water are essential for proper growth. Next question. The crops which are grown in nursery. Option A tomato, option B neem, option C weed, or option D none of these. So among all these four options, which crops are grown in nursery? So its correct option is option A tomato. Next question. Before sowing, soil can dash. Option A hoy, option B karch, option C plough, or option D drill. So students, before sowing, soil is which is used. So its correct option is option A hoy. Next question. Give the name of agricultural tool shown in the figure. So what is the name of this agricultural tool shown in the figure? So its correct option is option A, hoe. or harrow. Next question. Name the irrigation system shown in the given figure. Yes, which irrigation system is shown in the figure? Option A halt, option B chain pump, option C tube well, or option D sprinkle system. So students, in this picture we see that for irrigation which system is used? It is sprinkle system. So its correct option is option D. Next question. Which agricultural method of sowing is shown in the given figure? So in this figure, which agricultural method of sowing is shown? Option A gram, option B bajra, option C locust, or option D traditional method of sowing. So students, in this figure we see that for agriculture purposes traditional method of sowing is used. So its correct option is option D. Next question. Name the method of irrigation shown in the figure given below. So in this figure, which method of irrigation is shown? Option A hoi, option B drip system, option C sprinkle system, or option D tube well. Yes, in this system, which method of irrigation is used? So its correct option is option B drip system. Next question. Process of separating grains from chaff is called option A threshing, option B irrigation, option C harvesting, or option D sowing. So the process of separating grains from chaff is called threshing. So its correct option is option A. Next question. Which method is used by farmers to separate chaff from grains? Option A weeds, option B storage, option C winnowing, or option D none of these. So students, which method is used by farmers to separate seeds from grains? So its correct option is option C winnowing. Next question. Jasveer saw some weeds, unwanted plants growing in his field along with main crop. What is this process called in which these weeds are removed from the field? Option A sowing, option B irrigating, option C weeding, or option D cutting. So students, we know that the process in which these weeds are removed from the field, that process is called weeding. So its correct option is option C weeding. Next question. Sohan is spraying a chemical solution of which substance to destroy the weeds in his field from the crop? Name this chemical solution. Option A compost, option B fungus, option C weedicide, or option D none of these. So students, the chemical solution which is used to destroy the weeds in the field from the crop, that chemical solution is known as weedicide. So its correct option is option C. Next question. Gurmeet found his father removing some unwanted plants from the main crop. What are these unwanted plants called? Option A leguminous plants, option B weeds, option C bushes, or option D none of these. So students, we know that these unwanted plants are called weeds. So its correct option is option B. Yes students, now we are going to solve important multiple choice questions of chapter 2, that is microorganisms, friends or foe. Yes, our first question is yeast is used in the production of option A sugar, option B alcohol, option C hydrochloric acid, or option D oxygen. So we know that yeast is used in the production of alcohol. So its correct option is option B. Next question. The following is an antibiotic. Option A, sodium bicarbonate. Option B, streptomycin. Option C, alcohol. Or option D, yeast. So among all these four options, which one is antibiotic? So its correct option is option B, streptomycin. Next question. Carrier of malaria causing protozoan is option A, female Anopheles mosquito, option B, cockroach, option C, housefly, or option D, butterfly. So students, we have studied that carrier of malaria causing protozoan is female Anopheles mosquito. So its correct option is option A. Next question. The most common carrier of communicable diseases is option A, ant, option B, housefly, option C, dragonfly, or option D, spider. So students, common carrier of communicable diseases is housefly. So its correct option is option B. Next question. The bread of idli dough rises because of option A, heat, option B, grinding, option C, growth of yeast cells, or option D, kneading. So students, its correct option is growth of yeast cells. Growth of yeast cells causes dough to rise. Next question. The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is called nitrogen fixation, option B, molding, option C, fermentation, or option D, infection. So students, we know that the process of conversion of sugars into alcohol is called fermentation. So its correct option is option C. Next question. Today, the teacher shows the students a slide under a microscope. The slide is of which organisms? Yes, students, you see that this slide is of which organism? So this organism is a unicellular organism whose name is amoeba. So its correct option is option A. Next question. Which of the following microorganisms can be seen only with the help of microscope? Yes, students, among these, which organism can be only seen with the help of microscope? Option A, virus, option B, bacteria, option C, yeast, or option D, all of the above. So its correct option is all the above. Option D, all the above. Next question. Reena saw an onion peel under the microscope. She observed a brick wall like structure. What is the name of the following structure? Yes, this is the structure. So, what is the name of this structure? Is this animal cell or it is plant cell or both A and B or none of these? So, this is the structure of plant. This is the structure of plant cell. So, its correct option is option B. Next question. Dash is a disease which is transferred through air, water, food, and direct contact. Option A, communicable. Option B, non communicable. Option C, both. Or option D, none of these. So, students, dash is a disease which is transferred through air, water, food, and direct contact. So, which diseases are transferred through air, water, food, or direct contact? So, those diseases are known as communicable diseases. So, its correct option is option A. Next question. Rani likes mushrooms. It belongs to which group of microorganisms? Option A, bacteria. Option B, fungi. Option C, protozoa. Or option D, algae. So, mushrooms belong to which group of microorganisms? So its correct option is option B, fungi. Next question. Who discovered penicillin? Option A, Alexander Fleming. Option B, Dr. John. Option B, Dr. Harbans Khurana. Or option D, Godwin. So penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming. So its correct option is option A. Yes, students, now we are going to solve important multiple choice questions of chapter 4, that is materials, metals and non-metals. So let's see our first question. Which of the following can be beaten into thin sheets? Option A, zinc. Option B, phosphorus. Option C, sulfur. Or option D, oxygen. So among these four options, which can be beaten into thin sheets? So its correct option is option A, zinc. Next question. Which is the following statement is correct? Option A, all metals are ductile. Option B, all non-metals are ductile. Option C, general metals are ductile. Or option D, some non-metals are ductile. So among all these four options, which option is correct? So correct option is option C, generally metals are ductile. Next question. Sodium is kept in dash. Option A, kerosene oil. Option B, chalk. Option C, water. Or option D, none of these. So students, we know that sodium is kept in kerosene oil. So its correct option is option A. Next question. Metals are dash of electricity. Option A, insulators. Option B, conductors. Option C, semiconductor. Or option D, water. So metals are dash of electricity. Metals are conductors of electricity. So its correct option is option B. Next question. Example of nylon fiber is option A, mercury. Option B, silver. Option C, sodium. Or option D, potassium. Students, please correct this question. This question is not correct. So this question is example of most ductile element. Example of most ductile element. Example of most ductile element is option A, mercury. Option B, silver. Option C, sodium. Or option D, potassium. So its correct option is option B, silver. Next question. Sodium is a dash metal. Option A, reactive. Option B, unreactive. Option C, fast. Or option D, none of these. So we know that sodium is a very reactive metal. So its correct option is option A. Next question. Dash are malleable and ductile. Option A, metals. Option B, non-metals. Option C, lead. Or option D, conductor. So we know that metals are malleable and ductile. So its correct option is option A. Next question. Which of the following is the hardest element? Option A, gold. Option B, copper. Option C, silver. Or option D, diamond. So students, we know that diamond is the hardest substance. So its correct option is option D. Next question. Which metal is a good conductor of heat and electricity? Option A, heat and electricity. Option B, sodium. Option C, potassium. Or option D, none of these. So, according to this question, which metal is a good conductor of heat and electricity? Heat and electricity, sodium, potassium. So, the correct option is none of these. So, its correct option will be none of these. Next question, phosphorus is stored in. Yes, phosphorus is stored in water, air, oil, or none of the above. We know that phosphorus is stored in water. So its correct option is option A. Next question, which metal can be easily cut with knife? Option A, platinum. Option B, silver. Option C, sodium. Or option D, gold. So which metal can be easily cut with knife? So its correct option is option C, sodium. Next question, Sita's mother has bought today ornaments of silver with gold coating. The process of depositing of one metal layer on the other metal is called option A, vaporization, option B, distillation, option C, electroplating, or option D, all of the above. So we know that the process of depositing of one metal layer on the other metal is called electroplating. So its correct option is option C. Next question, name the metal which is used in thermometer and it is in liquid state at room temperature. Option A, alcohol. Option B, graphite. Option C, mercury. Or option D, iron. So the metal which is in liquid state at room temperature and is used in thermometer is mercury. So correct option is option C. So students, today we have solved important multiple choice questions of chapter 1, chapter 2 and chapter 4 of class 8 science. In our next video, we will solve our next 3 chapters. So, thanks for watching our video.